Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is Friday, April the 20th, 2018. So happy Friday if you're watching this today. I wasn't going to come back this soon to shoot a little update on our tomato plants, but I woke up this morning and I saw a really good growth spurt and I wanted to get this on video. If you go back to the previous video in this series, you'll see where we took these and we planted them into these little pots. And you can see the amount of progress that this one here and this one here and even this one has made only in those 3 days. I will mention that these have not been outside yet, so these have not seen natural daylight, but they have been under a 45 watt LED grow panel. If you want to see the ones that I use, I do have a lot of unboxings and reviews of those LED grow lights on my channel. So this one here you can see is the largest. And I think what I'm going to do is you can see this one here too. That's, nothing special about that one, so I'll move that one off. Let me get these in here and let me just zoom in a little bit. I want to show you these a little closer up. So this is as far as I can zoom in, but hopefully you can see these much better. They're a little bit out of focus, I think. But look at the growth on this one now. I'm just going to give this a little bit of a turn. Maybe if I angle it down like that, you can see. But you can really see the growth in those leaves and how pronounced they're starting to look. You can really tell that it's a potato plant now. And the other one, right in here. Just give it a little twirl. I am actually very impressed with the 45 watt LED grow panel that I'm using, because this is really good progress in just 3 days. I told you that potato plants are super easy to grow, and here is proof. These are coming along really well. The reason why this one is much smaller is, where am I here on camera? The reason why this one here is much smaller is because the little sprout that came off that eye was a lot smaller when we planted it. But this will catch up. But anyway, so a really fast and fun video. I really wanted to get this on tape this morning just so that you could see this. So yeah, very impressive. So that's it for this video. If you want to see part 1, I will put a link to it at the end of this video so you can actually see where we planted these and you'll see what they look like, the whole root system, etc. And if you want a notification of upcoming videos, when you hit the subscribe button, right beside it, there's a little icon. It's a notification bell. It's brand new to YouTube. And if you click on that, you'll be notified in your email each time I upload a brand new video. If you like baking, you can check me out on my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel over at youtube.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for today's really fun video, and I'll see you on the next one.